Imagine having a powerful tool at your fingertips, one that crafts detailed step-by-step guides for any training materials you need, without requiring to capture every step individually. This tool not only simplifies the entire process, but also organizes the steps and generates a video in mere seconds. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, today we are going to dive into this incredible tool and see exactly how it works. Guide with double D is a generative AI platform that helps you create video documentation of frequently asked questions, feature notes, how-to guides, and more. And the best part, it comes in the form of a Chrome extension that is super easy to install. Let's jump right in. To get started with Guide, all you have to do is install the Chrome extension. Once that's done, simply open it up and you will find a clean and user-friendly interface. Click on Capture How-to Video. A new window will pop up and you will see the Capture button. Click on it. Now, this is where the magic truly happens. Briefly describe what you want Guide to capture, and if needed, select your preferred language. More on that later. Hit Go and Guide will start capturing your every move. Keep an eye on the icon in the bottom left corner. It's marked with the letter G and a dot. You will also see the count of every click you make. Here is the cool part. At any point during your capture, you can click on that icon and you get some options. You can pause the capture, add screenshots, restart, or delete the capture altogether. This gives you a lot of flexibility and control. Once you have finished your capture, click on Done. A new window will appear, showcasing your video and a list of captures. We'll delve into the video shortly, but first, scroll down to see every screen capture of your clicks. You have the power to edit these captures, delete unnecessary steps, and even tweak descriptions and titles. Guide isn't just about capturing, it is also a pro at video generation. Anything you delete from the steps will disappear from the video as well, making it incredibly convenient. You can further customize your video by clicking on Edit Video. Play around with features like inserting content, changing backgrounds to different colors, and even recording your voice or adding voiceovers. One of the standout features of Guide is its multilingual support. You can use it in a wide range of languages. In this demo, I have selected Arabic. And guess what? It generated impressively accurate results. You can also edit in your preferred language with ease. When it comes to pricing, Guide offers a number of options. You can start for free, allowing you to generate up to 25 how-to videos. If you plan to use it extensively, you might want to consider one of its paid subscription plans. And there you have it, Guide, your go-to tool for easily creating step-by-step guides and video documentation. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech discoveries. See you in the next video.